Before buying a hydrogen water bottle, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1. Hydro Original Hydrogen Water Bottle. The Hydro Original Hydrogen Water Bottle caught my eye for its sleek design and impressive capabilities, priced at $69.95. If you want a portable solution for on-the-go hydration, this is worth a serious look. This bottle uses advanced SPE/PM technology to generate hydrogen-rich water, which means you're getting powerful hydration that's supposed to boost your overall wellness. It's designed for fitness, travel, or even just a busy day at work. With a 15.2-ounce capacity, it's big enough to keep you refreshed without constant refills. Plus, it claims to reduce oxidative stress, which is something a lot of us could use. This is important because the more hydrated you are, the more energy you can have throughout your day. Now, some people said that the bottle can get a bit pricey for a portable water bottle. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your hydration and overall health, that investment could pay off in how you feel every day. This is perfect for you if you're someone who leads an active lifestyle and wants a stylish way to stay hydrated. Skip this one if you're looking for something cheaper or just want a basic water bottle. For the price, you get a solid quality product that could significantly enhance your hydration. Now, if the price of the Hydro bottle was a concern for you, this next one takes a completely different approach without skimping on quality. Product number 2, Faclot Hydrogen Water Bottle Generator. The Faclot Hydrogen Water Bottle caught my attention with its affordable price of $25.99 and solid reviews, making it a popular choice for those new to hydrogen water. If you want an entry-level bottle that still packs a punch, this one's worth your time. This bottle generates a hydrogen concentration of up to 2,000 ppb in just 3 minutes. That's pretty impressive for a portable model. With a 460 milliliters capacity, it's perfect for quick hydration breaks whether you're at home or the gym. The fact that it removes residual chlorine and ozone is a huge plus, too, ensuring you're drinking cleaner water. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The faster you can get hydrogen-rich water, the less time you have to wait to feel that energy boost. Now, some users mentioned that the build quality feels a bit cheap. But honestly, for the price point, it's hard to complain too much. If you're looking for something that's functional without breaking the bank, it's a solid option. This is perfect for you if you're just getting started with hydrogen water or need a budget-friendly solution. Skip this one if you're looking for high-end materials or advanced features. It offers great value for its price, making hydration accessible for most. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing more features. Product number 3, Purify Hydrogen Water Bottle Generator. Coming in at $109.99, the Purify Hydrogen Water Bottle stands out with a lifetime warranty and a sleek turquoise design. If you're looking for a premium option that delivers high performance, this one should definitely be on your radar. What's special about this bottle is its ability to reach hydrogen concentrations of up to 6,300 ppb. You can choose between 5-minute and 10-minute cycles, giving you flexibility based on your hydration needs. It's lab-tested, which means you can trust those numbers. Plus, it's made from food-grade PC instead of glass, making it safer and more reliable for everyday use. This matters because many bottles can crack under pressure and you don't want that worry when you're out. Now, some users have said that it's on the heavier side compared to other models. But I'll be real with you. If you're prioritizing performance and quality, the trade-off for a bit more weight might be worth it for you. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, high-performance hydrogen water bottle that can keep up with a busy lifestyle. Skip this one if weight is a major concern or you prefer something more portable. Considering its features, it offers good value for what you're getting. Now, if premium materials and performance are your priorities, this next product might surprise you with its blend of affordability and features. Product number 4, Energil's Hydrogen Water Bottle. The Energil's Hydrogen Water Bottle is another interesting option at $69.99, boasting advanced technology with impressive features. If you want effective hydration that focuses on both body and skin health, this bottle is worth a look. With a hydrogen concentration of 6,000 ppb, This model promises to enhance your skin hydration and reduce inflammation. It's designed to help with metabolism and cognitive function, which is great for anyone trying to improve their overall health. What's really cool is that it can generate up to 1.44 milligrams of hydrogen, equivalent to the antioxidant power of 756 bananas in every sip. It's hard to ignore that kind of benefit. However, some reviews mention the battery life could be better. Here's the thing. If you're using it regularly, you might find yourself recharging it more often than you'd like. But if you're committed to maximizing health benefits, it's still a fantastic investment. This is perfect for you if you're focused on both hydration and skincare. Skip this one if you want something that requires less frequent recharging. For the price, the health benefits you're getting are pretty remarkable. Alright, that brings us to the last product on our list. And trust me, you'll want to hear about this one if you value quick and easy hydration. Product number 5, Aqua Vital Hydrogen Water Bottle. Last but not least, we have the Aqua Vital Hydrogen Water Bottle at $56.99, which really shines with its rapid hydrogen generation. If you need a bottle that's quick and efficient, this one deserves your attention. This bottle can produce hydrogen-rich water in just 3 minutes at the push of a button. It has a generous 16-ounce capacity, which means fewer refills throughout your day. The borosilicate glass design keeps your water tasting fresh without any weird plastic flavors. Plus, it has a USB rechargeable battery that lasts for about 10 cycles on a single charge, which is super convenient. This is a big deal because it means you can take it anywhere and not worry about being tethered to an outlet. Some customers noted that the design could be a bit bulky for some bags. But here's why it's not a deal breaker. If you prioritize performance and don't mind a little extra space in your bag, it's a great buy. This is perfect for you if you're always on the go and need quick hydration. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra compact. At this price point, it offers a fantastic blend of efficiency and functionality. So there you have it. Whether you want something high-end like the Purify, a solid budget option like the Faclod, or the speedy Aqua Vital, there's a hydrogen water bottle for everyone. Each offers unique features that cater to different hydration needs. Choose wisely, and happy hydrating.